It was a very windy night around the Sound, and now we're getting a clearer picture of what the wind left behind. Take a look. In Tacoma, a tree came crashing down onto a house, leaving it badly damaged. Thankfully, no one inside was hurt. Meanwhile, in Snohomish County, officials are reminding people to obey road closed signs. This driver went around a closure and their car was hit by a falling power pole. The situation there could have ended up much worse. And in Aberdeen, a building was badly damaged by the wind. There was no structural damage, but decorative bricks were stripped off that building. Once again, no injuries reported there. This is just a reminder of how dangerous the wind can be. I know we've been dealing with a lot lately. We've had a ton of rain, we have wind, we had that blizzard warning last night, and yes, we still do have more rain in the forecast. Let us know what you're seeing in your neighborhoods with photos or videos, and you might see them on the air on King 5.